Hey guys, welcome back to Faithful Keto Kitchen where we make keto delicious. So today we're going to make something yummy for the game because football season is like in 2 weeks, I believe it is, in February. And so I thought of something to make so that you can make it ahead of time and have it out for your fans and friends. So it's called a salmon spinach dip, okay? So what you'll need is 3 cans of 7-ounce salmon. So I like to get the salmon at either Costco's or at Sam's Club if you have a club member, because they have the ones that are boneless and skinless, so you want to definitely get those. So that's 3 cans, and I broke it up and separated it inside the bowl. We're going to use a cup of cooked spinach, chopped up after you cook it, chop it up really fine, and make sure you squeeze out all the extra liquid, okay? So get it nice and dry. We're going to use a cup of Parmesan cheese, a cup of scallions or green onions chopped up. We have some fresh dill here, and it smells amazing, and it really permeates the dish and makes it taste that much more flavorful. And that's about 3 tablespoons of cut fresh dill, a cup of mayonnaise, and 2/3 cups of sour cream. So with the mayonnaise, I really like using this, I get it from Costco. It's a avocado mayonnaise. It's healthier. It doesn't have all that junk in it, so that's why I like to use that. But use whatever you have on your budget. It's all good. Either way, it'll work. And I have some spices here. 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 4 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and about 1/4 to a half a teaspoon of salt. Salt to taste, okay? So you can always taste it. But the Parmesan has a lot of enough saltiness in there, okay guys? So we're gonna just basically put everything in a bowl, stir it up, and then pop it in a casserole dish and bake it. So let me get that all stirred up for you. This is really an easy recipe, guys. You just dump it all in and go, pretty much. So it's simple, it's fast and easy. Sometimes I like to stir it in between though to get it broken up some. But yeah, before I add that spinach in there. Let's see. Yeah. And I also like to stir up the regular base before I add the spices in there, because that way you don't have any spots where it has too much salt in it or too many of the spices. So we're going to add our spinach and you break it up some. That's why I chop it up, so that you don't get a bunch of stringy spinach in each bite. Let's see. Get that broken up. Get the spices in there. Get it nice and stirred up, guys. Well incorporated, okay? Okay. Now you want to taste it to see if it's seasoned enough. It's pretty good. You can use a little more salt. So just salt to taste, guys. So a little more salt. But always want to start with a small amount of salt, because then you can adjust it. You can't take it out. Okay. Let's try that one more time. Perfect. That's good. So we're going to grab a casserole dish, put it in the casserole dish and bake it. So let me go grab a casserole dish. All right, so we got our casserole dish. And I put it on a baking sheet just in case, you know, when you don't want things to bubble over and dirty up your oven. So we're going to fill this up. And this should fit just the right amount. Yeah, it all fits. Yay! I was concerned it wasn't going to fit. So let's get it all in here evenly, spread out. So have you guys ever had like a salmon dip? It's really tasty. And the cool part about this dip though, technically you can eat it cold. You don't necessarily have to warm it up, but I like it warmed up because when I warm it up, the cheese that's in there melts really nicely and everything gets really nice incorporated, and you can dip it with like pork rinds or your favorite low carb crackers. Delicious, guys. So today we're gonna cook it. But you can serve this cold, and just when you serve it cold, put it in the fridge, let it get really, really cold for like about a half an hour, or you can actually make it ahead of time. You can do it ahead of time in a casserole dish as well if you're going to cook it as well. So either way, it's a simple, easy recipe that you can get out the way, especially when you're having a party, you know. So it's all in. So I'm going to pop it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. It may be a little longer, just until it gets fully heated inside and bubbly on top, guys. So I'll be right back. All right, so our salmon, creamy salmon dip is out of the oven, and we're going to put a little bit on a plate. And I don't have any crackers. I forgot to make some crackers, but I do have pork rinds, so we can taste it with that. So let's get a little bit in here. And it came out so nice, guys. It's kind of almost, reminds me of the creamy spinach artichoke dip in a sense, except for we're using some salmon. Let me taste it without the pork rind first. Super hot, see that? Ooh. That's good. Oh, that's really tasty. I like it. It's hot, but it's delicious. I like that, guys. And remember, you can do it hot or cold, but it's really, really flavorful. And try some on a pork rind, just for fun. I'm digging that. Definitely give this one a try. It's like, you can taste all the salmon in there, but it's not too fishy. And I love the backdrop of that fresh dill. Makes it really good. It's fantastic, guys. So serve this one at your party next time. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, guys, and join the crew by subscribing to the channel, and also hit the bell thingy so that you don't miss out on any videos that I upload, all right? So God bless you guys. I love you. I'm Rosemarie, and have an amazing, blessed week, guys. See you later.